If you want to clean the nozzle, the spout on your Bosch Tassimo machine, it's really easy to do. Make sure you're unplugged. We're going to lift this up here. And to take this bit out to begin with, we just need to lift it up a little bit and pull it straight out. Comes out nice and easy. And then to take the nozzle part out, it might be a little bit stuck in with coffee, but if you get your finger underneath, thumb here, and just press upwards, supporting this, you will see it will pop up like so. We can now separate these two halves, just like that. And now you can wash all three of these items in the sink with some nice warm soapy water. Give them a real nice good rinse out, get rid of all the coffee. You can get a Q-tip down this part here. So you can get it all the way down there, a little Q-tip. Make sure that you've got rid of all the coffee through here. And then to put it back together, we're gonna line up this part here that's sticking up with that little indentation just in there. And it will clip together when you've got it correct. So click it in, you can hear now that's clicked in. We're now going to put this in here. There's a little part here that will line up with this little semicircle here. So you're going to be putting it in like that, and you see it wants to drop into that place, and then just click it into place. There. And when it comes to this, flat side up top, you can see the way it goes down here. So this is the top, and just place it in at that angle. Don't do it like that. High up like this at that angle, and drop it in. And that is it. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.